Outreach Center in Gainesville, Florida. Now, people around the world are hanging on his every word or reacting to it with fury. Tim Hewitt reports on the Reverend and the angry response he's provoked.
In Afghanistan, they shouted death to Obama, vilifying the American president for the very act he's desperately been trying to stop. In parts of the Muslim world, Terry Jones isn't a backwater pastor with a tiny following. He represents the United States. Merely threatening to burn the Quran is seen as an outrage. And Britain's Muslims have been following events with increasing dismay. This is Morden in South London, hardly a hotbed of radicalism. But even here, among the most moderate Muslims, Pastor Jones and all the attention he's receiving is spreading alarm and resentment.
It is going to result in creating disorder and, conflicting views and feelings of hatred and enmity and disagreement in society. So do they want to achieve that? Certainly not.
I'm sure many people have heard about our sign that we have put on our church property. Islam is of the devil.
Pastor Jones is emerging as an increasingly bizarre figure. He left Germany in disgrace after running a mission there. Far from love and truth, there are stories of financial irregularities, families being broken up, even children being beaten to drive out demons. And there are suggestions of cult-like behavior at his center in Florida. The centre's Academy Rulebook sets out a strict 3-year program for prospective ministers. It says you're not allowed to visit family members or friends. Weddings, funerals or birthdays are no exception. There must be no phone calls. Small talk is also banned. The rules state, except work things, there is no need to talk at all. And the rules say students will be put on the scales once a week to achieve a weight goal. As protests spread across the Muslim world, the fear is that whatever happens next, Pastor Jones has already done enough damage. Tim Hewitt, ITV News.